Hello, I'm Sean. Welcome to my channel. One of the things that I have had an issue with over the years is not knowing what I want to cook, or maybe knowing if I'm doing a diet plan, knowing that, okay, I need to eat certain foods. I know what foods I need to eat, but I don't know what meals to make out of these foods. And I don't want to eat the same stuff over and over and over again because that gets boring. So I wanted to come on here to show how you could create your very own tailored meal plan that's just specific for you and what you like using ChatGTP. So if you don't know what ChatGTP is, and I think I'm saying it wrong, I think it's ChatGPT. It is generative pre-trained something. What is it? Transformer. That's the word. So it's basically just an AI tool that you can ask it questions and it'll pop off the answers. However specific you are determines how closely your results are going to be to what you actually want. So, um, let's get to it. I did a screen record where I walked through the steps, so I'm going to be doing a voiceover to walk you through what I did in creating I believe it's a 7 day meal plan that I have. Here we are on the GPT website. You can go to chat.openai.com to get here. I do believe you have to log in. It's a free account. But once you create your account, then you can begin to type things into the chat box to get started. All right. I just asked for ChatGTP to create a meal plan for me that was specific to my goals and needs. And I'm also asking it to ask me some questions so that I can better understand what I want or what I need. So this is very important. If you just ask for it, if you just say, hey, I want to create a meal plan, then it's going to give you a lot of ideas, which is okay if that's what you're looking for. But if you wanted to actually create you something, then, or something specific, then you need for it to ask you some questions. So, really quickly, it gave me these questions for me to answer. I paused the video so that I could answer those questions. And I was just very generic, like these are not my actual specifics, but it's just for the purpose of the video. But look how quickly it gave to me a meal plan. This is 3 days worth of meals. So this is a meal plan that's specific to Southern soul food cooking, but in a healthy way. And I believe I listed a couple of the specifics being diabetes and high blood pressure. So this would be a meal plan for a person who has diabetes, who has high blood pressure. So it's not going to be full of salt or sugar. And this one is also for the purpose of weight loss. But of course, if you're going to do this, it doesn't have to be for weight loss. It can just be for whatever you need it to be. And I believe I went ahead and asked it for a couple of more days. Oh no, yeah, I'm asking here now for it to provide a specific recipe because maybe you don't know how to cook. What is it? This baked catfish meal. So I'm saying, hey, give me a detailed recipe, and here it is. It's telling me all the seasonings to put in it, what to put the oven on, and how to prepare the entire meal. It really doesn't get easier than this. It does not get easier. So this is really cool. Um, and I know I asked it for a shopping list too. So if if it creates you a list that you would like to go with, then you can ask it, hey, I want the shopping list. And it's going to give you the shopping list in a matter of seconds, which is really cool. And if you have Chat GPT 4, this is 3.5, it's the free version. So it'll give it to you like this. If you have Chat GPT 4, you can ask for it to put it in a Word document, and it'll have it put right on into a document so that you can print it out already in the format that you want. But you will also have to be specific about the format too. But there it is. It gave me a few more days, a day's worth. Oh no, this is the shopping list. So if you can see, they even have the pantry staples: hummus, guacamole dip, spice, salt-free seasonings or spice blends, parchment paper, cooking spray. So it's kind of checking all of the boxes for what you may need or for what you will need to make each of the meals on the list. And so that was for a 3 day. And so then I'm like, hey, can you give me 5 more days? But it actually gave me seven. Gave me a total of 7 days. And that's breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, and dinner. So pretty cool. Try it for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this. I'm still figuring out my rhythm since I am a new channel. If you'd like to see more content like this, leave a comment down below. Um, but it would mean a lot. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.